With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the figure shows the three paths for a ball projected from the ground level. Ignore the effect of the air. Which of the following statement is the correct? And the options are, we can see, the projectile 3 has a greatest time of the flight, and the B option we can see, the initial vertical velocity are the same for all, and this. C option we can see, the projectile 3 has the greatest speed of the projection, this. And the D option we can see, the initial horizontal velocity are the same for all. Clear? Now we have to see which one is the correct option. Clear? Now coming to the first option. So it is given that the projectile 3 has the greatest time of the flight. As we know, time of the flight is equal to root under, and this is equal to 2h and divided by g. Clear? Now this h is the same for all. So we can see that from here, this T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3. Clear? But here it is given that the projectile 3 has the greatest time of flight. So we can see that from here T1, T2 and T3 is the same. So we can see that this is the wrong statement. Clear? Now the initial vertical velocity are the same for all. If we talk about the B option, so as we know, h is equal to initial vertical velocity is the u sine theta. So h is equal to, we know this is equal to u square sine square theta and divided by, we know this is equal to 2g, and the h is same. So we can see that from here this implies that u sine theta is the same for all. So from here we can write u sine theta is the same. Clear? For all we can see. So this option we can see that the initial vertical velocity is same for all. Yes. So this statement is the correct statement. Now coming to this C. C, it is given that this, the projectile 3 has the greatest speed of projection. So as we know, if the large theta, sine theta is large. If the sine theta is large, it means u is what? Less. Here we can see that the same vertical velocity. It means we can see that here is the same vertical velocity means, and here we can relation between theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3. We can write this is the theta A is the greater than the theta B is the greater than the theta C. So here we can write UA means UA is the less than the UB and less than the UC. This. So from this relation we can see that yes. So this, the projectile 3 has the greatest speed of the projection. So this is the correct we can say. Clear? From this relation we can see. Now coming to the D part of this question. So in the D part it is given that the initial horizontal component are the same for all. Here we can see that a range is the difference. So R equal to what? As we know, R is equal to Ux into T. Clear? Now we can see from here RA is less than the RB and less than the RC here, and the T is the same. So from here we can see that from here it is clear that we can see from here. So RA is the greater, RA is the less than the RB, and RB is the less than the RC. So from here we can see that this RC is the maximum. If the RC is maximum, it means we can see that UC is the maximum. So initial horizontal velocity are the same for all. No. So from here we can see that UA, from here we can see that from these relations, we can write UA cos theta we can write. So this UX and this. So from here we can write this. Horizontal component of RC is the maximum. It means UXC is the maximum. So we can write here RC is the maximum. The range of C is what? Max. Clear? It means we can see that UX and C is what? Max. Clear? This. It means we can see that this is the wrong statement. Now, according to option, we can say that B and C is the right option for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.